If invoices are not sending in entity software, Wave accounting, accounting software, that can seriously affect your payments and clients won't receive your bills. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, email delivery won't work properly if your network keeps dropping. Next, refresh the page and try sending the invoice again. Sometimes it's just a temporary server or session glitch. Now, double check the recipient email address. Yeah, even a small typo can stop the invoice from being delivered. Next, ask your client to check their spam or junk folder. I mean, sometimes invoices land there instead of the inbox. Now, turn off any VPN or proxy. These can interfere with email delivery systems and server authentication. Next, try sending the invoice in an incognito window. Yeah, this helps rule out browser extension conflicts. Now, disable all extensions temporarily. I mean, ad blockers or privacy tools can block email scripts from running properly. Next, clear cache and cookies. Corrupted session data can prevent invoices from sending correctly. Now check if entity software, Wave accounting software, is experiencing email or invoice delivery issues. Yeah, sometimes the problem is on their end. Next, check your email settings inside Wave accounting. Incorrect configuration can stop invoice emails from sending. Now try sending the invoice from another browser or device. Yeah, this helps identify if the issue is device specific. If nothing works, contact support. I mean, there might be an account or email delivery restriction that only they can fix, and that's it. One of these fixes should solve invoice sending issues in entity software, Wave accounting software, and get your clients their invoices again.